Passage 9 Painting with Music.
Put on a Bach concerto and close your eyes. Now picture a color. What color do you see? If it is a fast Bach concerto in a major key, it is likely you will picture a color that is more saturated and brighter, like a red or a yellow. And if it is a slow Bach piece, you will likely see something darker and bluer in your head. We can predict with 95% accuracy how happy or sad the colors people pick will be, based on how happy or sad the music is that they are listening to, said Stephen Palmer, a vision scientist at the University of California, Berkeley.
Palmer and a team of researchers at Berkeley asked nearly 100 people to listen to 80 pieces of classical music that varied in key and tempo. The participants half from San Francisco and half from Guadalajara, Mexico, were then asked to choose 5 colors that they might associate with each piece, selecting from a 37-color palette or range of colors. The research, published in the Proceedings of National Academy of Science, found that people in both countries picked bright, warmer colors when they heard faster, more upbeat music and darker, cooler colors for pieces in minor keys. Those connections, Palmer says, are largely based on emotional connection our brain makes. In other words, if a classical music piece is happy and lively, people are more likely to pick colors that are also happy and lively because they feel happy and lively while listening to the music. This might seem obvious, but now the idea is backed up by Palmer's research.
We saw that the brain will use emotion as the basis for a musical color match. Said Palmer, the music activates some representation of emotion in whatever part of the brain is coding emotion. The colors also have association with emotions. Palmer's team has recreated the experiment with more than 34 different genres of music from hip-hop to the blues to heavy metal, all with the same results. The finding may be useful for advertising and creative non-drug-based therapies. They also may help researchers better understand people who have a condition called synesthesia, said Palmer. People with synesthesia see colors or touch sound. He said we're planning to replicate the experiment with them in the future and ask them to pick the color they're experiencing that more closely represent the color on the wheel.
Question number 1. What would be the best alternative title for the passage? Answer D. Music, Emotion, and Color. Number 2. What did Palmer's research discover? Answer C. Emotion is the link between music and color. Number 3. Which of these is the research not useful for? Answer A. Publishing music in color. Number 4. At the end of which paragraph would the sentence only about 5% of people in the study choose different colors for the musical pieces best fit? Answer C. Paragraph C. Number 5. According to Palmer, the brains of people with synesthesia. Answer C. Link one sense, like taste or hearing, with others.